Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC running slow. Let's fix it guys. First up, you just need to right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. And you just need to go to Startup Apps. You just need to right click and disable unnecessary programs guys. Just by right click on them and select Disable option. After that, just to close stuff here. Second step, you just need to go to Search menu and type Disk Cleanup. Click on Open it and you will get a pop-up. Select the C drive and like OK to open this, and check all these boxes listed over here and select OK and select delete files option. Third step, you just need to go to search menu and type settings. Click on open it. On left side select apps, on right side select installed apps. You just need to remove software you don't use anymore, just by click on three dot icon next to it and select uninstall option. After getting done, just to close tab here. Fourth step, you just need to go to search menu and type check for updates. Click on open it, and just need to select check for updates and install all pending updates to fix bugs and boost performance. Fifth step, go to search menu and type choose a power plan. Click on open it, and expand this to show additional plans option and select this high performance, and just to close tab here. And the sixth step, you just need to press Windows key and R key together, type sysdm.cpl and press enter. Go to advanced tab under performance, select settings, select this adjust for best performance option and check mark this smooth edges of screen fonts and select apply and OK for save changes and click on OK. And by following these steps, you should be able to fix the PC running slow problem. Now for till well, guys, thank you.